Hi, it's me Ryan from MSI Productions, and today we'll be talking about the life of poly. So probably like the food, how about like the exams? So there's exams in your course or facilities or something like that. So let's dive right in. So let's go. Alright, in my case, since I'm from Temasek Polytechnic, one of the places that we normally come by to eat is this over here. It's just like it's a marketplace with like 3 food courts. So it's kind of interesting for us to come here and eat, and generally it's affordable. So we come here during our break time. So it may depend on whatever poly you go to. Well, generally it's good to explore the areas nearby your poly because maybe there might be other stuff that you find interesting in that area. So with that, let's go on to another topic. So now let's talk about transport. So for transport, there's quite a lot of options now. Since you're around 18, some of y'all from IT, they come in here, you're more than 18, you can actually drive here. That's actually an option now. There's also an option for cycling because unlike secondary schools, they allow you to park your bikes anywhere within TP. As long as you don't like cycling down the hallway or using a skateboard down the hallway, that's not really allowed, so that's a bit of a bummer. But there's also other forms of transport like taxi if you want to, or like public transport. Right here is the bus stop, so generally there's a broader amount of transport options for you to come towards TP, and generally for most of the polys. So let's talk about designs. This is the course where I'm in. So for design, believe it or not, there's no more exams like O-level exams compared to other courses here or something like junior college. It's more chill, I find. So like you're able to do more things like work, like do part-time work in the background. Because generally for DFT, especially for this DFT course, it's a bit more expensive to take part in. So generally you want to make sure you have a bit of spare cash. In that case, that's why I do part-time work. And for like exams, I substituted for projects, which is kind of fun and generally less stressful. Some projects are a bit more stressful than like exams, but it's only for that short period of time and it's not like all conjunct into one like huge like 3, 4, 5 days to practice all your subjects, and hopefully your mind doesn't like get too filled up. So it's engineering in TP, so engineering also has exams, so it's taking within the same things that you do from primary school to O-levels to now. So I generally like design more, so it breaks out of that MOE system, which I like to call it. Yeah. So let's move on to another topic. Alright, let's talk about school timing. So generally for school, we don't have school every day. The timings are always a bit different depending on the timetable. Some days we may have school like at around 9 o'clock in the morning, 9 AM. Then some days we also have school as late as 3 PM. So it really depends on your course and your timetable for that course. Okay, now for this new topic, we're going to talk about equipment. So this may vary based on your course. Some courses may be like DFT for us, you need video cameras and maybe some tripods and all those. But something like, okay, there's one course in Temasek Poly also, which is like this type of photography course. Those ones you probably will need a camera, but if you say you don't have the camera or a tripod and all those, you do have the ability to rent from the school, so that is possible. It's free, but it's a bit of a hassle where you can only rent it for a maximum of 3 days, and if you damage it, it's on you, so have to be careful with that. Okay, now talking is let's say about laptops. So for laptops, you need to know like what your course needs. For my course, which is digital film, and we need to do editing, so we need quite a powerful laptop to do editing, so something with an i7 and H series for mobile chips, or maybe a decent editing system like the one behind me. So all those plays a part. But let's say you're doing a course where all you do is like, let's say law, then all you do is just like type on Word. You won't need like a gaming laptop just to do that. You just can get some cheap ass laptop with a good keyboard, that's about it. Right, so now for another topic. So another thing is with poly, there's need to be a way for you to get in. And there's I think 2 ways for you to get in. One of the ways are actually through EAE, which is the one I went in by, and that one is JAE, where it's like it's based on your O-level results, basically lower points are better. Generally, if let's say you have a special like talent in it, like let's say you know how to do video editing, which is in my case, and then you can have a good portfolio, then you can submit that. Or if let's say you're really good at like designing arts and craft or something like that, then you can submit that too, and you have a higher chance of getting into EAE. It makes it quite easy for you to actually get in, as you don't really need to get the like 18, I think like 17 or 16 points like that. You can just get around like below 24 points, which makes it a lot easier for you to get in. But that also means that if let's say you intend to go somewhere else, let's say you change your mind suddenly, you can't really do that anymore. So that's one thing to take note. Now off to another topic, let's go. Alright, so another question often asked is whether you need to know the skill of, so let's say you're going to digital film, and whether you need to know like whether you have like a keen background in editing and all those. The truth is, you don't really need like a knowledge of the thing. You just need to have an interest in it. Then normally the knowledge can be taught. So yeah, if you are curious, that's the answer. So if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe, share, comment down below. If you don't like it, feel free to hit the dislike button too. And with that, it's me, Ryan here, and peace out.